LeanBiome is formulated to support healthy weight loss while also promoting overall health and well-being. Hello viewers, this is Roy, and today I am going to review of LeanBiome supplement for complete weight loss solution. LeanBiome is a natural dietary supplement designed to support healthy weight loss. It combines probiotics, prebiotics, and natural ingredients, all of which have been clinically studied for their weight loss benefits. The supplement contains a blend of 3 probiotic strains, including Lactobacillus Gasseri, Lactobacillus Rhamnosus, and Lactobacillus Fermentum, which have been shown to support a healthy gut microbiome, boost metabolism, and reduce inflammation. How does LeanBiome work? LeanBiome works by reversing the disruption caused by bacterial imbalances in your gut microbiome, or recently discovered factor contributing to mysterious weight gain. By providing your gut microbiome with healthy bacteria, as a result, you can lose weight quickly by suppressing your appetite and curbing unhealthy food cravings. Also, you will be free of gastrointestinal disorders like bloating and inflammation. LeanBiome contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that assists in feeding the good bacteria in the gut. As a result, inulin can help to improve digestive health and support healthy weight management. What benefits are associated to LeanBiome? There are many benefits associated with using this supplement, including improved digestion, boosted energy levels, better hair quality, and more. Improved digestion. This probiotic supplement is claimed to increase the number of probiotics in your gut, which in turn is said to help improve digestion by increasing absorption and promoting better intestinal health. Weight loss. It is a weight loss supplement that helps you lose weight in an effective and safe way. It comes. Treat diarrhea. If diarrhea is a regular problem for you, then LeanBiome may be the probiotic supplement for you. This is claimed to help restore the balance of good and bad bacteria in the intestines, which can in turn help to treat diarrhea. Enhances mood and mental health. This product is said to improve mental health and mood by providing the right balance of good bacteria. In addition, they can regulate the gut microbiome, a key part of the immune system. There have been reports of people feeling less stressed and having better sleep quality since using this supplement. Science behind LeanBiome. LeanBiome supplement is a blend of probiotics and prebiotics, which are proven to support weight loss and overall well-being. The prebiotics feeds beneficial bacteria in our intestines and improves digestive health. Though the manufacturers of LeanBiome claim that their product has been tested in a third-party clinical study on pills, pricing and availability. LeanBiome can be purchased from its official website. Buying LeanBiome from its official website will avoid the possibility of scams. The company offers free shipping and a 180-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Currently, Lean for Good offers 3 different packages of LeanBiome. Here are the details. 1 bottle of LeanBiome, 30-day serving $59 plus free U.S. shipping. 3 bottles of LeanBiome, 90-day serving $49 each plus free U.S. shipping. 6 bottles of LeanBiome, 180-day serving $39 each plus free U.S. shipping. You can save significantly by ordering 6 bottles of this supplement. We recommend you consider your weight loss goal before selecting any of the above packages. It is a dietary supplement that claims to help maintain weight and improve health. The company offers a 180-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the results, they'll process a refund for you within 180 days of purchase. Customer reviews. There are many online LeanBiome reviews where users have shared their experiences with the LeanBiome supplement. These customer reviews help us find more relevant information about the supplements. The clinically researched ingredients used in the Lean for Good LeanBiome product are not generally found in competing for diet pills. Gina, 23, from California, claims that she has lost 35 pounds from using LeanBiome nutritional supplement. Gina was a size 13 in jeans and expected to be a size 7. She has gained more self-confidence and energy, making her happy and content. Now her life is better because of the use of LeanBiome. Another customer, Darlene, had lost hope due to her weight gain and unwanted belly fat. She tried several methods of weight loss, but nothing worked. Darlene started using the LeanBiome dietary supplement and noticed significant results. Now she is down 32 pounds and claims to have her life back. Jessica from Texas claims, "This is the best thing I've tried. I've lost 25 pounds." She was working from her home, which caused her weight gain. She started searching for effective ways to lose weight quickly. In her weight loss journey, she had tried several diet pills and shakes, but they were ineffective. However, her search ended when she came across the LeanBiome weight management formula. She is now more energetic and hopeful about her life. So after watching the review video of LeanBioMe dietary supplement, if you wish to lose weight and interested to buy it or know more about the real user of product, so just click the official company website link only. Thank you for watching.